studies on antioxidant capacity. Oxidative stress is an important factor leading to disease and aging. It is caused by reduced antioxidant capacity and increased oxidative capacity. OS evaluation can be applied for multiple researching subjects, such as the researches of disease mechanism and treatment, or antioxidant capacity evaluation of plant extracts. Oxidative stress index is a marker for more comprehensive evaluation of oxidative stress, calculated by the ratio of total oxidation status to total antioxidation status. For example, OSI was 0.8 in normal situation while the value is increased to 1.4 with disease. TAS and TOS assays can be used for OSI determination. A reference dilution table of samples is provided. It takes only 5 minutes for the reactions for better efficiency of experiment. Lab science. Focus on your research. Surveys for life science.